Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to sign up for Huntington online banking account right from your computer. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box at the top, type in www.huntington.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official web page of Huntington Bank, which looks like this. If you'd like to open a new account on Huntington Bank online, then you can click on Open an Account link at the top right hand corner and select an account type and click on Apply Now. If you've already done that and you'd like to enroll into online banking for the first time, click on Enroll Now link right in the login area. That'll be displayed on the right hand side of the screen. On the next page, select one of the options to verify your account information. Choose whether you'd like to use your account number provided by your bank or use your debit card number. Give your choice a click and enter your account number in the account number text box. Make sure to enter the correct account number provided to you while opening up an account on Huntington Bank. Head over to the next field and type in your social security number or your tax ID number. After you are done, click on the continue button and on the next page you'll be able to verify your identity. If you'd like to use your debit card number, click on use my debit card number and enter your debit card information in the text box. Make sure to type it in correct and enter your PIN code on the next field. Type in your social security number or your tax ID number in the last text box and finally click on the continue button in order to verify your identity on the next page. Follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to get access to your online banking account right from your computer. That way you can enroll or sign up for a new online banking account for Huntington Bank. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.